Alright, so now you have a patch and you also have a 3-color design. Okay, so I use this for example. Now, how do you change colors, right? That's the first thing you're going to have is you have this design, you just need different colors in it. So if you highlight this various elements, okay, let's say I need this element right here to be blue. Okay, you highlight it and over here you say blue. Boom. That's easy, right? Okay. Now the order or the color does not matter whatsoever when it comes down to it. So for example, let's say I take these two elements right here, which are blue. I can also highlight them over here by holding shift. I can highlight many, and I make them this peach color. Okay. As long as it's just 3 colors. It doesn't matter which colors you use over here at all. These do not correlate to anything on the embroidery machine. The only thing that correlates is the number. Okay, so see this little number 1, 2, 17. Okay, these are the things you have to write down. Alright, so what we're going to do is take this 3-color design and we're going to move it over to the patch. Okay, to do that, very, very simple. You can just highlight everything, holding shift. And you can copy. So you can right click, copy, and then go over to your patch. I would go off to the side a little bit here and right click, paste. Okay. If it puts it in the middle, that's okay too. So just kind of move it over to the side. Doesn't matter what side you move it over to. It's going to move rather slow, and then just let go. Okay. In order to get it back, you hit return. Alright, now you just have to scale it down to fit your shape. So we're going to zoom out using the wheel mouse. You can grab all your elements at once. Again, you can grab them here or you can grab them over here. You must not touch these 3 right here. Okay? Alright, now you can just start scaling. Then what I usually do is kind of like this. I'll make sure before I go putting it over here, I get a general idea of what the size needs to be. And you could do this from the top view too. So it looks tall but not too wide. Good. Alright, so let's move it on down. Okay, while it's highlighted, I can still make changes. Okay, hit enter on the keyboard, and there we go. We have now combined the 2 together. Now I have more than, do I have all 3 colors? Yes. So the numbers are what matters, not the colors. Okay, it matters. So when we export this, it's going to ask us something. Because there is 3 colors in this assignment, maybe I'll make them those three colors. So I'll keep the red, I'll keep the orange, and there's black, which I have no idea what to do with. So maybe add white. Yeah, we'll switch the green to white. So you can hold Control and click out many of these. If you did that, don't worry, that's okay too. Okay, there we go. Got that? We'll make those white. Alright, sweet. So we got our three colors, possibly. So when we export, this is the question that must be answered. Okay? So you go Export Design. You'll call it Patch. I would probably put it Color. Needles are not continuous. Do you want to fix it? You say yes to this. Alright. So now we note these numbers right here. Red is 1, white is 2, and this peach color is 3. Okay? That's what you have to know in order to be on the embroidery machine. Alright. That's now exported. You can put that on a flash drive and bring it over to the memory on the embroidery machine. And I will show you how to change the colors. Again, red is 1, white is 2, 3 is peach. I don't think we have peach on there, but we'll have fun with that. Alright, when you do this is just after your contour check. Okay, when you get your contour check all checked, that's when you change the needle color. So here, this button right down here, it has 3 little needles. Hit that. You go to Set Color Order. You hit Return. You page over to the first number. And in this case I need red, and that's going to be 10. So I need to enter 10 on here. Alright, so to get 10, it's the 10 plus 0. Alright, 15 is the next one for needle 2. So what we have is 10, 5. And then the last one's going to be 11. So that's going to be 10, 1. There we go. So we got our 10, 15, and 11 in the software. And when you get done, you hit enter. And that's how you change your needles to the color that you need. So you will still set the contour check to needle 1. But when you run the job, it will go to needle 10 first, needle 15, and then needle 11. And that's how you change your colors and set your colors on your embroidery. The rest of it is the same as running the job as you did before. That's the only difference here in this video.